Okay, guys, welcome to the market. This is a twice a month market. All the ladies are telling the young lady to wave to me. This is a twice a month market. These guys, most of the vendors here do a circuit. They go from small town to small town every day, load and unload their stuff every day. This market is massive, and yesterday none of it was here, and tomorrow none of it will be here. They'll be set up in a different town somewhere else. It is an amazing setup how it all works. The logistics of it is amazing, really. We're going to take a look around, see some of the more interesting stuff. All the people. This is the edge of the market, set up right on the road. Creates a massive traffic jam. We'll start here with this lady cutting chicken, and we'll finish up with this lady cutting some more chicken at the end of the video. Quite a popular place. This is the 2nd of January. So all the people that are in the region for New Year's is at the market. Those are day old chickens. Guts and everything still in them. Quite popular, actually. I've never tried them. Can't imagine them being that great. Inside the Steam Bun mobile restaurant. Hot dogs. You look at all the chili sauce she's got there. She sets them right in it. These guys are making pancakes, waffles, and the one in the middle, I don't know, it's like a pancake. It has grated coconut and sugar added to it at the end. Quite an interesting thing. I haven't tried it. The waffles got corn or raisins in them. I have had the corn one. I think he's done that a few times, yeah? Like probably every day. All these stalls I stopped at were very busy, people waiting. The market was insanely busy that day. Probably the busiest I've ever seen this market, and I've been going there for years. It's just money in, food out, an awesome business when it works. Want ice cream? This big truck here is huge. All this stuff, all the tarps, all the rigging, all the tables goes in that truck. And like I said, the day before, none of this was here. And the next day, it will be set up somewhere else. They sell all day. Normally, it's very busy in the morning. And then at the end of the day, they'll break it all down. And the next day, they'll be in a different town and do it all again. Same with the shoes. All those shoes came out of that pickup truck. It's an amazing thing, really, when you think about the logistics of it all. The amount of clothing there for sale, just massive. Department store worth of clothing in that market on that day. Look at all the different colored hangers. Chickens and ducks. You see the colored chickens, they dye them. And very popular with kids. It doesn't seem to hurt the chicken. It does seem like a very bad idea. But it's been around for a long time. Normally there's a lot of people selling these, and on this day that was the only one. Or the only one that I found anyway. I'm more interested in the food stuff, so that's what I show mostly. This guy, and there was a bunch of them selling shrimp, different sizes, different prices. And this guy's got no roof. That's quite the hot job on a day. I did a video with this guy before showing his motorbike. His soup is delicious. Absolutely delicious, and he's a very happy, friendly guy. I did an entire video with him a while ago. Look at the wind. It is the windy season here. I love these motorbike restaurants. When you're done, you just drive away, go home, take everything with you. Secondhand clothes. These markets are good for secondhand clothes. Uh, a lot of clothes, a lot of this stuff comes from America, actually, or that's what I've been told. And I've seen lots of stuff like hockey jerseys and things like that for sale in these markets. That is placenta from a cow. Check it out. Considered a delicacy by some. Not so much by me, actually, never tried it. The lady said it's delicious, but she's the one selling it, so she's got to say that. This place where this market's set up is normally full of cows and horses. There's a couple horses in there normally too. It's the dry season, so there's no grass, but normally that's what's there. Look at the wind, huh? Just non-stop. It was all that morning. Cowboy. Not a lot of cowboys in Thailand, but there's a few. I've shown this guy in a video before too. He loves the camera, that old man. Thailand coffee shop, mostly just cold drinks, all kinds of different cold drinks. Coca-Cola, coconut water, and smoothies. And I saw most people buying strawberry smoothies. But apparently they have iced coffee as well. But this is set up on the back of a pickup truck, which is a pretty good setup. Normally they use, like I showed before, with the Carnation Milk sign on a motorbike. But this one is a pickup truck. You just close up all the doors and drive away when you're done. Some of these vendors are local. I doubt that one is. That guy's sleeping. You think how tired they are? They go all day, all night, these vendors. If you're not selling or packing up or unpacking, you're driving. Isan Sausage. These people have two grills going and they can't keep up with the demand. Not a great sausage in my opinion. Sometimes they're okay. The filler in these is glass noodles, which is a little bit unique. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes they're good. Not my favorite sausage. Thailand has better. This is a pretty cool gas grill. I like the old charcoal ones better, but gas is easier. But again, they're so busy. The lady in the middle who's selling everything is just standing there waiting for stuff to be cooked, food that's already ordered. And you normally get things like chilies and cabbage, cut up cabbage, and that with your sausage. Almost back to where we started. I did a full loop around. Didn't show everything, couldn't show everything. This would be an hour-long video. There's one of the motorbikes, drink stations, coffee shops, motorbike coffee shop on wheels, 3 wheels. It's something I haven't seen before. He called it a cookie. It's cooked over charcoal. They look really, really dry. But as you can see, popular. Fingers like steel. He's telling jokes to the old ladies. Keep the ladies happy. We're almost done here. We soon be back to the lady with the chicken. She's got a lot more chicken this time. Inside the squid restaurant, or octopus, most of it is. See all the different big tubs of dipping sauce. This guy coming up here, he's putting caramel in these rice cups. He's got a big, not a big, but a pot full of caramel. See, he's putting it in the rice tubs. There's back to the octopus guy. That smelled really, really good. And like every other vendor, there's people waiting, you know. Here's the end of it. The lady with the chicken, she got a lot of chickens this time. This chicken is normally really good. It's steamed a couple different ways. And some what she's cutting there was grilled. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.